Hello, I'm going to talk about anticipatory bail, where, when and how application for anticipatory bail be done. When a person has apprehension of getting arrested by the police, or he comes to know that local application or FIR has been lodged against him for a non-bailable offence, then a person can go for application of anticipatory bail. Section 438 of CRPC, the Code of Criminal Procedure, 1973, talks about application of anticipatory bail. It is very important to note that the application for anticipatory bail can only be made for non-bailable offences. The first schedule of first category of CRPC talks about all the offences relating to IPC. So, if a person's offence is falling under Indian Penal Code IPC, then that person will be able to identify whether his offences of bailable nature or non-bailable nature, as it is provided under the first category of first schedule of CRPC. But what about other offences relating which are not falling under IPC, other special acts, may it be relating to succession or marriage? Then the second category of first schedule of CRPC talks that if the term of imprisonment of any offence is of more than 3 years, then it will be taken up as a non-bailable offence. Again, if the offence punishment is for more than 3 years, then that offence will be accounted as non-bailable offence. So the individual will have to refer the act on wherein his offence is falling, and subsequently find out whether the offence is of bailable or non-bailable nature, and can go for anticipatory bail if it's of non-bailable nature. The exception to this is Section 18 of SC/ST Prevention of Atrocities Act. It states that no application for anticipatory bail be done if the offence is falling under the Scheduled Caste, Scheduled Tribes Act, Prevention of Atrocities Act. Hence, it is very important to refer the individual acts to find out whether it is of bailable nature or non-bailable nature. So, anticipatory bail can also be done even if no FIR has been lodged and the person has just fear of getting arrested for the non-bailable offence. Now, where this application be done? This application can be done before Sessions Court or High Court. It cannot be done before magistrate because the magistrate has no jurisdiction to adjudicate upon the application of anticipatory bail. With this, I conclude all the basics of anticipatory bail. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you.